Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reach Squarespace support, so you'll know exactly how to get the help you need whenever you need it. Whether you've run into a tricky website issue, need advice on billing, or have questions about domains, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident navigating Squarespace's support channels and chatting directly with a real support expert. This is especially important for Shopify store owners or anyone managing a site who needs a quick resolution to site issues. So let's dive right in. First, take a look at your Squarespace dashboard. Up in the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Help. Go ahead and click on that. It might take a couple of seconds to load, so don't worry if you see a little spinning icon. Squarespace is just connecting you to all of their resources. This Help button is really your gateway to a whole library of support articles, FAQs, and tools designed to guide users like you. Whether you're just starting out or troubleshooting a complex issue, this is the place to begin. Once you're inside the Squarespace Help Center, you have a couple of options depending on what kind of help you're after. At the very top, you'll find a search bar. This can be a powerful tool. Just type in any word or phrase related to your question, like custom domain, billing problem, or adding products, and you'll get a list of articles that explain common issues step by step. This search bar is particularly helpful when you have a specific issue in mind. For example, if you're managing a Shopify store and need to troubleshoot payment issues, typing payment gateway or checkout problems will bring up targeted articles. If you're not sure exactly what to search for, don't stress. Sometimes it helps to just scroll and explore. Right below the search, you'll see several topics listed out, such as account, billing, commerce, domains, and more. These categories group together all the resources on each area of Squarespace. For example, if you're struggling with a billing issue, just click the billing topic and you'll be shown all the common questions and guides about payments, invoices, and financial settings. Think of these as helpful signposts. Sometimes just clicking into a topic can uncover answers you wouldn't have thought to search for. If you're having trouble with your online store or domain setup, the commerce and domain sections are fantastic for finding targeted solutions quickly. But maybe the articles aren't quite answering your question, or you just need more hands-on assistance. Here's where direct support comes in. Take a look at the bottom right corner of your Help Center screen. You'll notice a little chat widget, kind of like an instant messenger bubble. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a live chat window, connecting you with a Squarespace support agent. The great thing is, this chat is available 24/7, so you can reach someone anytime, day or night. This is a huge benefit if you're working on a tight deadline or managing a store that needs immediate attention. Just type in your concern, and a real person will respond to help walk you through your issue. Whether you want help troubleshooting a bug in your site or you have a burning question about your subscription, this live chat is your direct line to expert guidance. A quick tip when using the chat: try to describe your issue clearly and include any error messages or details you've seen. The more specific you are, the faster the agent can zero in on a solution. If you're experiencing site downtime, for instance, providing details like the error message or steps you took before it occurred can drastically reduce troubleshooting time. And don't worry if you feel stuck or overwhelmed. Squarespace's support team is there to help users of all skill levels, and they're pretty good at guiding people through even the trickiest problems. So just to recap, you start in your dashboard, click the Help button at the top, browse or search the Help Center for resources, and if you need to chat directly with support, use the widget at the lower right. It's a streamlined process designed to give you quick answers and real human assistance. The best part is, whether you're dealing with a minor issue or a major problem, you're getting support from real experts who are ready to help you get your website running smoothly again. That's it. The quickest way to contact Squarespace support and get real help for your website questions. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you still have questions, just drop them in the comments below. I do my best to answer every single one. Subscribe for more practical Squarespace tutorials and website tips, whether you're managing an online store or just creating your first website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.